Welcome back to the Northern Decay channel. Just a quick reminder, if you're new here or if you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to click subscribe, hit the like button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on any future Northern Decay uploads. In today's video, we're going to be exploring an abandoned farm with loads of classic vehicles left behind, including a helicopter and a paramotor, and plenty of other classic cars and motorbikes. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any history at all on this place as it's in the middle of nowhere and not many people know it exists. Load of toilets and basins. Been stripped out and dumped here. Oh, this is a Mercedes, this red one.
Is it a Unimog or something?
I'm not too sure.
Quite clumsy guys when I'm on stuff like this. I'm not very good.
Such a shame to think that all these classic cars have just been left to rust. Old Victorian mangle. Definitely belongs in a museum, that. Table looks pretty old as well. Looks like this used to be someone's workshop. of spider webs in this caravan. Very old T-Reg motorbike. I'm not too sure what brand it is. Definitely looks like a classic though. Another motorbike. Yamaha XT. Looks like a 125. It's missing most of its parts, I guess. Another view of the power motor. Gemini. Wooden propellers. Yeah. This car looks like they've started refurbishing it at some point and then they've just gave up.
Yeah. Do you know what she thought it looked like? It looked
Back to the Future.
Yeah.
Oh, I knew you were going to say that there.
Yeah, it was like, I was like, it looks like Back to the Future.
Is that not what it is? Is it not the car from Back to the Future?
You never know, actually.
Yeah, I think this is the VIN number. It says La Roseria. Look, warning contains asbestos. They used to put it in everything.
It's just went like that itself. Just bad weather in that, just...
Aye.
If it had been covered over and it was probably sealed in here, maybe it would have been alright.
Look at that, still got its old tax disc in.
Oh, it hasn't. What's it do?
Oh, 299. That's when it was last driven. Hey, the interior looks canny in this one.
It's a lovely home, man.
Aye.
Really.
I think I'm going to jump.
Watch this event as a glass on.
Oh, yeah, good shout. I nearly just sat on them.
Do you want this course?
Aye. It's still got that car smell inside.
It has, hasn't it?
Aye.
The other camera would have been bad, but...
Got the main spectacle here, the helicopter. It's in pretty bad condition. So it's only been 26 years since it was last on the road. I know, it's longer than I've been alive. Just found a newspaper here from 1994. Evening Gazette. Appears to be an old arc welding machine. Honda.
Will we be ready in about 10 minutes? Yeah.
Old bottles and tins of oil. X-Reg Jeep Cherokee. Just left to rot. Classic Merc. Save the engine hood of the Mercedes. J-Reg. It's pretty decayed, like. That would. Lovely views round here. Another motorbike in pretty good condition. Again, I'm not too sure what brand of motorcycle it is. Here we have an old auger. People would have used this for cooking, heating the house up. And it also would have fed a hot water cylinder, potentially.
There's it. Oh, hang on. I've just seen a big.
much to see up here, just a load of old car parts, exhaust pipes, wheels. Appear to be the old animal pens, maybe for pigs or cows. It's the old water tank still full. Land Rover Defender.